Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious beet juice that's perfect for any time of day. Beets are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And they can help to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, and even lower your blood pressure. So, let's get started. Do you know that beet juice has a lot of benefits, and taking it daily can have a significant impact on your health? Here are some of the reasons why taking beet juice daily is important. 1. Rich in nutrients. Beets are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, folate, potassium, iron, and manganese. Drinking beet juice daily can help ensure that you are getting all of these essential nutrients that your body needs. 2. Boosts athletic performance. Studies have shown that drinking beet juice can increase athletic performance by improving blood flow, increasing endurance, and reducing fatigue. Athletes who drink beet juice daily have reported feeling more energized and able to perform better during workouts and competitions. 3. Promotes heart health. Beet juice has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. This is because beets contain nitrates, which help to widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Drinking beet juice daily can help to keep your heart healthy and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Improves digestion. Beets are high in fiber, which is essential for good digestion. Drinking beet juice daily can help to promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and keep your gut healthy. 5. Supports brain health. Beets are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Drinking beet juice daily has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Overall, taking beet juice daily can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. It's a great way to get all of the essential nutrients your body needs. Improve athletic performance. Promote heart health. Improve digestion. And support brain health. Here is healthy beetroot recipe to try at home. For this recipe, you'll need 2 medium-sized beets, 1 apple, 1/2 lemon, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 cups of water, a handful of ice cubes. Instructions. Step 1. Wash and peel the beets, then chop them into small pieces. Step 2. Core the apple and chop it into small pieces. Step 3. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Step 4. Peel the ginger and chop it into small pieces. Step 5. Add the beets, apple, lemon juice, and ginger to a blender. Step 6. Add 2 cups of water to the blender and blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth. Step 7. If you prefer your juice to be colder, add a handful of ice cubes to the blender and blend again. Step 8. Once the mixture is smooth and well blended, pour it into a glass and enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy beet juice that's easy to make and packed with nutrients. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching.